Folks, welcome to the video of this property located at Cloonanaha, Inagh, County Clare, just located off the main Inagh Milltown Malway Road. It's about 6 kilometres from the village of Inagh, but also only 10k from the coastal resort town of Hinch. In a nice private site here, enclosed boundary walls, raised area here, wall along the back, and there's also a detached workshop to the back, which I'll show you. So there is entrance into your workshop. So the property itself needs some landscaping and some cosmetic upgrading throughout, but as you can see, it has double glazed PVC windows and doors. So we'll just proceed in the front door here to the L-shaped hallway. Timber flooring. Here's a reception room to the front, nice big window, nice and bright, open fireplace. And then your bedrooms are down here. So timber flooring, again, fine big windows. And second bedroom, timber flooring, built-in wardrobes, would fit a double room or double bed. And here is another bedroom, again with built-in wardrobes and timber flooring. So as you can see, it needs probably upgrading in terms of doors and painting and polished flooring. Now here's your bathroom, fully tiled ceiling to floor, full LWC, nice corner bath unit, electric shower. Now there's another room here which would be formal dining. The light isn't working, it's just been used as a storage room at the moment, just needs to be cleared. It would operate as a formal dining room. Proceed through here to your kitchen then. Kitchen's a flat roof extension, tile floor, a large amount of wall and base, timber style storage units and double windows. A good spacious kitchen, and the dining table need not be there, it could go into the other room if you want. So here's your kitchen. Now here's a lean-to which was built off the back, probably needs work, could act as a utility. Tile floor, and just you see the Perpex roof. Your old oil burner, so as you can see, probably needs an upgraded oil burner. So folks, that's the video for this property in Cloonanaha. That's in this rural location, but yet only 10 minutes from your coastline, 5 minutes from the village of Inagh, and also just 10 minutes from Milltown Malway. So for further information, contact Inagh O'Sullivan Hurley 065 68 40 200. Thank you.